Howdy humans, welcome back to Amino Acid Mondays. Today we're going to be talking about the aromatic amino acids and we'll be starting the conversation with phenylalanine, the classic aromatic amino acid. So on the right I'm going to draw the structure like this, CH2, and then a sweet benzene ring right there. Okay, so its one letter amino acid code is F if you can't pronounce letters properly, and its three letter is Phe. So for its side chain, this entire piece here is called a benzyl group. So I'll write that here. Benzyl group. And the benzyl group consists of just a CH2 and a benzene ring. If you're wondering about the name phenylalanine, if you didn't know already, but this benzene ring here is a phenyl group. It's phenyl means benzene ring, basically. And this section here is basically just alanine, if you remember from the first video that we did. So phenylalanine is an essential amino acid and is actually found in mammalian breast milk, if you're into that. So its codons are the UU codons, and there's two of them, so it's UUU and UUC. Okay, finally as well, phenylalanine can be converted into tyrosine in the body, so that nicely brings us to tyrosine. So, tyrosine. Draw the structure on the right again. So, tyrosine has a very similar structure to phenylalanine, as you will see. There we go. It's a weird benzene ring, but oh well. So, the only difference is this hydroxyl group, really. If you want its big boy name, you can actually call it 4-hydroxy phenylalanine. 4-hydroxy because, again, alanine, phenyl group, and then on the fourth carbon of the phenyl group, so you've got 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, and 4, you've got a hydroxy group, sorry. Okay, so its one letter amino acid code is Y, and its three letter is TYR. It's hydrophobic, but this goes without saying because it's got a benzene ring, and this goes for the same as phenylalanine, except tyrosine is slightly more hydrophilic just because of that hydroxyl group there. Technically this is a non-essential amino acid, as I implied earlier from the fact that tyrosine can be converted from phenylalanine, but again it's dependent upon phenylalanine levels in the body. And a very important reaction that tyrosine participates in is basically you've got phenylalanine. I put the L there because L isomers, all naturally occurring amino acids are L isomers. So phenylalanine can be converted to tyrosine can be converted to L-dopa, and L-dopa can be converted into your boy dopamine. So dopamine is another super common neurotransmitter that everyone talks about and uses about having dopamine rushes on Facebook and social media and stuff like that. So also its codons, we'll talk about the codons now. It is the UA codons, so these codons are UAC and UAU.